Hello kids, good morning. How are you all? Hope you are enjoying all your classes and completing your works in time. Yes, are you ready to listen a story? Yeah, so let us call a story. Story. Come to PP children. Here is the story for you. So today we are going to listen a story of a Jack. Jack was a boy who stayed near a farm with his mother. One day his mother called him. Oh Jack, come here. As we don't have any money with us, please take our cow and go to market, sell this cow and get some money for us. Jack was very obedient boy. He took the cow and he started walking towards the market. While walking towards the market, he started singing la 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 la, and suddenly from back of one tree, one man with big beard appeared in front of him, listening his song. Jack was surprised. Who is this man? I never see this man before here. The man asked, Hello, boy, where are you going? Jack said, I'm going to sell my cow in the market. The man asked, Why do you want to sell your cow? Jack said, We are very poor. We don't have any money left with us. So I want to sell my cow. The man with the big beard told, I have some seeds for you. These are magical seeds. Would you love to take these seeds? Jack told, Magical seeds? Wow! Seeing these magical seeds, mother will be so happy. So Jack gave the cow in returns of three magical seeds, and he was so happy and excited to show those magical seeds to his mom. He returned home and showed those seeds to mom and told mom, these are magical seeds, see. But mom was like angry. Jack, what have you done? For a return of a cow, you bought only three seeds? She was very angry and she threw those through seeds through window. Oh, poor Jack. He was so sad and he went and tried to sleep. He thought, what is this? I thought Mama will be very happy, but his Mama was angry. Next day morning, when Jack woke up, he was stretching his body like this. And suddenly he saw out of the window. What is this? What plant is this? I never see this plant. He opened the door, went out and saw a big plant came out of those seeds which his mother has thrown from the window, and it was a beanstalk which grew up to the sky. Jack was surprised to see that, and he started climbing the beanstalk. He climbed. Not ending. Again he climbed. And he reached till clouds. Again he started climbing. And at the end of the beanstalk, he saw a big gold palace. Jack was very surprised to see all this. He slowly came down from the stalk and started walking towards the palace. And he opened the door of the palace and he was searching, who is this? And he saw everything in the palace was two giant, very big, very big. and he was searching who else lives here. The palace is very big and everything in the palace is of gold. And suddenly, Tom, 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 Tom sound came. Who is this? Jack, afraid, and he hid himself under the table. And from a door, a big giant with an eye here came out of the big door, and he was telling, fee, fee, fo, fa. I smell a little man who is here. I can't see, but I can smell that boy. Jack was afraid. He came out. So, forgive me, giant man. I am here. I came from the beanstalk. The giant was surprised to see a little man in his palace. He told, why are you here? What do you want? So Jack told his whole story to the giant man. Giant man felt so petty and he gave some gold coins to Jack, and he told, fee, fee, fo, fum. Little man is on the run. All he wants a bag of gold to get his cow back once he sold. So Jack took those gold coins and came back down. He was very happy by getting those gold coins. He bought his cow again, and he bought some clothes and food for them, and they were living happily. Again, after some days, his money over, and he doesn't have any money, and again they became poor. Again they had to sell their cow. Again he thought, now what to do. Then again he thought of taking help of giant, and early in the morning again he started climbing the beanstalk, and finally he reached to giant man's palace. Giant man was eating his breakfast, huge pumpkin and a big large bread. Again giant man, fee, fa, fo, fum. I smell a little man. Jack was not afraid like first. He told, hello giant man, I am Jack, again to see you here. Giant man told, what happened now? So Jack told, this time also we had to sell our cow. What to do? I need some help from you. Giant man told, you have to make me happy if you want me my help. So Jack was wondering what help I should do to this giant man. There in a corner he saw a harp which is lying in a corner. Giant went near the harp and starting playing on the harp. The harp music pleased the giant. Giant was so happy to listen the harp from Jack. He told, okay Jack, I am very happy to listen your harp. So take this harp along with you with some gold coins. And again he told, fee, fa, fo, fum. A little man is on the run. He wants some gold coins for the cow once he sold. And Jack came down with the gold coins and the harp given by Giant. This time Jack played the music on harp and people paid money for him for his beautiful music. And Jack lived happily forever. He never went again to a giant man's house. So he learned to do hard work. Hard work gives you lot of money and strength. So kids, get ready to start your hard work. How was the story? Hope you liked it. Complete your work. Bye bye.